Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to create an AI avatar from Selfies. If you want to create your own avatar, so you just have to install an application from Play Store app. Just open your Play Store app and here go to search bar and you just have to search for an application named Face Swap Magic. Just search for it and then just install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it, so just tap on open to open the application, and here you will be able to make your own avatars. So just tap on let's start and then just skip the ads. After that you just have to choose one the style you want. As I am choosing this one, so just tap here, and here you just have to tap your wanted style. Just tap on it and then just choose your photo, and after choosing your photo this will automatically generate an AI avatar for your selfie.